Formal versus informal language. How we talk and write depends a lot on who we are talking or writing to. Certain situations require formal language, while in other situations, informal language is fine. So next to each picture below, we're going to be thinking about the person that we might be speaking to. Besides each picture are two sentences. One of the sentences uses formal language and the other uses informal language. So you need to be thinking about which sentence is the most appropriate depending on the picture. In our first situation, we have, yes, I do like turkey. Oh yeah, I sure do like turkey. Here we have an elderly woman, possibly a grandma, somebody who we should be respecting, may not even be somebody that you're familiar with, but you should respect your elders. So you definitely want to respond in a more polite way. Yes, I do like turkey. You probably also want to say thank you or please. Use your manners, right? The second situation, hey, Prez, I want to ask you about education. Or would you speak like this? Mr. President, I would like to ask about education. To an official member, whether it's somebody, a mayor, or somebody in Congress, or the president, you definitely want to use formal language. Slow down already, would ya? Would you please slow down? Oftentimes, if it's from kid to kid speaking, you're going to use informal language. So most likely, you would have chosen that first question of, slow down already, would ya? Get over here quick. I've got something to show you. Please come quickly. I have something for you to see. Whether you're walking, you're on the beach, you're with your friends, you're mostly going to use that first example in sentence A. In this next example, we have somebody who's graduating and possibly speaking at a graduation. I bet this must be the happiest day of my life. I believe this is the happiest day of my life. The more appropriate is formal language, which would be your option B. So again, you want to think about informal and formal language and who you're speaking with or who you're talking to. In these situations, think about, is it better suited for talking with your friends and people you know well, which you typically use informal language, or talking in public, talking to adults or talking to people who are well respected, we should be using formal language. Think about these situations. What's up? Good to see you, dude. Good morning. Cool. How are you today? It is nice to meet you. Thank you. Thanks. Hi. Hello. Can you almost hear it in my tone of voice who I would be speaking to? One final comment. It's the biggest difference between formal and informal language is thinking about the environment or who you're speaking with. Formal language is proper, whereas informal language is casual. Formal language you use when talking to an adult or person of authority. Informal language you use when talking to friends, like text messaging. Formal language uses correct spelling and punctuation, and informal language can use numbers in place of letters, and sometimes has incorrect spelling or what we would call text speech. Think about your audience. It's really important you know who you're writing to, who you're speaking with, so that you know how to use formal and informal language.